having the right speaker can really completely change your music listening experience. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best bass Bluetooth speakers so that you'll never have to suffer through choppy and low quality audio again. The issue is that a Bluetooth speaker, it might work great for one person, but it just might not be the best for you. And that's okay, because most Bluetooth speakers are not made with the same people in mind. So that's why I made sure to include options for really all types of situations. Regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect Bluetooth speaker for you. And please do keep in mind that all the links to find the best prices on all of the speakers that I'm going to be mentioning in this video will be in the description below. The speakers mentioned in this video are really in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you do not miss anything. First, I have the Bose SoundLink Flex. The Bose SoundLink Flex impresses as a bass Bluetooth speaker with its Bose's signature sound technology, Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, IP67 water-resistant build, compact design, and simple sync technology. The SoundLink Flex packs a serious punch when it comes to bass. With its Bose signature custom-designed transducers, the SoundLink Flex delivers bass that's deep, rich, and incredibly satisfying. Not to mention, it comes with proprietary position cue technology that allows it to automatically detect its position to produce optimal sound quality in an environment. With its powder-coated steel grille and silicone body, the SoundLink Flex easily blends into any setting. Not to mention, it has an IP67 water and dust-proof rating that ensures that it can handle all the demands of your adventures and travels. It also has a great battery life, lasting up to 12 hours of playtime on a single charge. The SoundLink Flex seamlessly utilizes Bluetooth 4.2 technology. Now, this offers a reliable connection for up to 30 feet. Plus, it has Bose Simple Sync technology, and this allows the SoundLink Flex to pair with other compatible Bose speakers for a multi-room listening experience. The Bose SoundLink Flex combines Bose's signature custom-engineered transducer for powerful bass-centric sound, a long-lasting 12-hour battery life, simple sync technology, an IP67 water and dust-proof rating, and Bluetooth 4.2 technology. So if you're looking for a powerful Bluetooth speaker that provides a punchy bass, the SoundLink Flex might just be the best choice for you. Next, I have the Sonos Era 100. Now, this is my choice for the best bass Bluetooth speaker for most people. The Sonos Era 100 really excels as a bass Bluetooth speaker. This offers an immersive bass-centric mid-woofer design, true play tuning technology, dual tweeter acoustic architecture, fast processor, and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The Era 100 packs a powerful punch with its bass performance thanks to its 25% larger mid-woofer that helps to deepen the bass in every genre of music. Plus, it has 47% faster processors along with a next-gen dual tweeter acoustic architecture that ensures that every beat comes to life. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, you can easily stream your favorite tunes from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices on the Era 100. It has true play tuning technology through the Sonos app, which adapts the sound profile based on your surroundings to optimize your listening experience. Not to mention, the Era 100 has a user-friendly interface and easy setup, which is great for both tech enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Built with a cylindrical shape and matte finish, the Era 100 is designed to be compact and withstand the rigors of everyday use. That's whether you're indoors or outdoors. With a compact and portable design, the Era 100 is meant to be easily brought around onto all of your adventures. Plus, with its long-lasting battery life, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted music playback on a single charge. The Sonos Era 100 offers powerful sound through its large mid-woofer and dual tweeter acoustic architecture, faster processors, compact and portable design, user-friendly interface, and controls, Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and a long-lasting battery life. So for those who are looking for a high-end Bluetooth speaker that doesn't have that high-end price, the Era 100 might just be the right pick for you. Next, I have the Voonex Sound ArcWave, and this one is my choice for the best bass Bluetooth speaker for the money. The Voonex Sound ArcWave impresses as a bass Bluetooth speaker with its affordable price, durable and compact design, 60-watt speakers that help to deliver a punchy audio experience, and user-friendly controls. The ArcWave delivers an incredible bass experience thanks to its 60-watt speakers. With max DSP technology, the ArcWave ensures that the bass is deep, and resonant. It's a great addition given how affordable the ArcWave is in comparison to other Bluetooth speakers. Just like the Aero 100, the ArcWave has Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which effortlessly pairs with your devices for up to 100 feet. It ensures a stable connection, allowing you to roam around without missing a beat. With its small, simple design, you can take the ArcWave with you wherever you go. And that's whether you're hanging out with friends, hitting the beach, or just chilling at home. Not to mention, it has a user-friendly interface thanks to the large buttons on the top of the speaker. It also has up to 15 hours of playtime thanks to its powerful 6600 mAh lithium batteries. The Voonex Sound ArcWave impresses with its max DSP technology, 60-watt powered speakers, small and simple design Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and 15 hours of playtime. And if you're looking for a speaker that blends both powerful bass-centric audio and affordability, the Sound ArcWave might just be the best Bluetooth speaker for you. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items that I've mentioned so far in this video, please go ahead and check out the links below. Prices update on these speakers almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss anything from us. Next is the JBL Flip 6. The JBL Flip 6 stands out as a bass Bluetooth speaker, really offering punchy bass through its optimized dual passive radiators, racetrack-shaped woofer, rugged durability thanks to its IP67 waterproof rating, and long-lasting battery life for up to 12 hours on a single charge. The Flip 6 delivers impressive bass that's deep and rich thanks to its optimized dual passive radiators that are fine-tuned using Harman's advanced algorithm. With its separate tweeter, the Flip 6 produces crisp, clear, and high frequencies and delivers great low frequencies and mid-range with its racetrack-shaped woofer. Now, just like the SoundLink Flex, the Flip 6 is built to last with its IP67 waterproof rating. So whether you're lounging by the pool, hitting the beach, or braving the elements on a camping trip, you can really count on the Flip 6 to keep the music playing no matter what. With its compact size, you can easily slip the Flip 6 into your backpack or purse and take it with you wherever you go. Plus, with its long-lasting battery life, you can enjoy up to 12 hours of non-stop music on one single charge. The JBL Flip 6 stands out with its IP67 waterproof rating, 12 hours of battery life, optimized dual passive radiators, and racetrack-shaped woofer. For those who are looking for a well-rounded Bluetooth speaker that delivers a great bass-centric experience, the Flip 6 might just be the right fit for you. Next, I have Ultimate Ear's EpicBoom, and this one is my choice for the best overall bass Bluetooth speaker. The Ultimate Ear's EpicBoom really impresses as a bass Bluetooth speaker, featuring powerful 360-degree booming bass technology that is coupled with adaptive EQ technology. It also comes with an incredibly user-friendly interface, long-lasting 17 hours of battery life, and an IP67 waterproof design. With its 360-degree booming bass and adaptive EQ technology, the EpicBoom ensures a booming bass that fills the room and brings your music to life. It delivers 94 decibels of big, bassy stereo and deep sounds, which is fantastic for those who are looking for high-quality, bass-centric beats. The EpicBoom has an easy connect and play design. With the Boom app, you can effortlessly play music through the magic button, even when it's powered off. Plus, it has a long battery life for up to 17 hours of playtime on one single charge. Now, just like the Flip 6 and SoundLink Flex, the EpicBoom has an IP67 waterproof design. It can withstand dust and be submerged in 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes, making it a fantastic companion for the pool or beach. The Ultimate Ear's EpicBoom features 360-degree booming bass and adaptive EQ technology, IP67 waterproof rating, user-friendly design, and 17 hours of playtime on a single charge. So if you're looking for a high-end Bluetooth speaker that really provides high-quality bass-centric sounds, the EpicBoom might just be the best option for you. And if you guys liked this video or even learned something, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the speakers mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.